Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. Before you buy the RJO20 wall mount garage door opener, this video will help you make sure your garage is properly set up to work with this product. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. The RJO20 garage door opener is well suited to many types of garage, but not all. It is very important to check your garage and make sure you can answer yes to all of the following requirements before purchasing the RJO20. An electric outlet must be accessible within 6 feet of the opener. The outlet must be 120 VAC, 60 Hz only. Contact a qualified electrician if you need an outlet installed. Your door is a sectional garage door that is no larger than 180 square feet, no taller than 14 feet, and no wider than 18 feet. Any gap between the bottom of the door and the floor does not exceed 1/4 of an inch. Your door has a torsion spring, not an extension spring. The torsion bar is 1 inch in diameter. The torsion bar extends at least 1.5 inches past the bearing plate. The torsion bar is free of damage. The distance between the ceiling and the center of the torsion bar is at least 3 inches. The distance between the garage wall where the torsion bar is mounted and the torsion bar is at least 2.5 inches. The distance from the end of the torsion bar to the other garage wall or any obstruction is at least 8.5 inches. Drums are between 3 and 6 inches in diameter. The cable should wind over the top of the drum and be nearest to the wall. If you answered no to any of these questions, do not attempt to install the RJO20. You'll need to contact a trained door systems technician to make any needed corrections. If you answered yes to all, go ahead and purchase the Chamberlain RJO20 garage door opener and get started installing today. For more information, visit us on the web at chamberlain.com.